When your kitchen routine starts before sunrise or stretches past bedtime, motor noise becomes a real problem. A Best Quiet blender lets you crush ice and puree fruit without rattling the whole house. The 5 picks below balance hushed performance with genuine blending muscle, so you can find one that fits your morning ritual without disturbing anyone else.
And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started.
Number 5. Beast Go Cordless Portable Blender. The Beast Go Cordless is designed for people who are always on the move, offering a convenient blending experience without the hassle of cords. Its powerful 3-cell 11.1-volt rechargeable battery makes it easy to prepare fresh smoothies, protein shakes, or blended drinks, whether you're heading to the gym, relaxing at a park, enjoying a picnic, or hosting a backyard barbecue. The generous 670-milliliter easy fill vessel connects directly to the motor base and blade assembly, making it quick to add ingredients and start blending. With a single button control, switching between pulse mode and the automatic 30-second blending cycle feels effortless, delivering consistently smooth results every time. The secure spill-resistant lid and practical straw cap system allow you to blend and sip from the same container, eliminating extra dishes and making cleanup fast.
Number 4. Black Decker Quiet Blender.
Anyone who's been jolted awake by a screeching blender will appreciate what Black & Decker did here. Quiet technology paired with digital controls keeps the noise down while still offering 3 speeds, 3 smart functions, and a pulse setting for fine-tuning consistency. Despite the hushed operation, this unit doesn't skimp on power, delivering up to 30% faster blending thanks to 900 watts of ice crushing strength. The Cyclone glass jar is shaped specifically to generate a strong vortex, and a 6-tip serrated blade with dual cutting edges works alongside that shape to pull ingredients steadily toward the blades, rather than letting them stall near the top. Included with the base is a 24-ounce Triton personal jar with a travel lid, so single servings for a commute or workout are just as easy as blending at home. Number 3. Ninja BN751 Professional Plus Duo Blender. The Ninja Professional Plus delivers a noticeable performance upgrade thanks to its powerful 1400 peak watt motor, making quick work of tough ingredients like frozen fruit, ice cubes, and dense vegetables. Its total crushing blades are engineered to create consistently smooth drinks without leaving behind chunky bits, making every blend feel effortless. One of its biggest advantages is the Auto IQ technology, which includes 3 intelligent preset programs for smoothies, frozen beverages, and nutrient extraction. Instead of guessing blending times, you simply press a button and let the machine do the work, producing reliable results every time. The spacious 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a 64-ounce maximum liquid capacity is ideal for preparing several servings at once, whether for family breakfasts or meal prep.
Number 2. Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender. This Hamilton Beach model proves that raw power and noise control don't have to be mutually exclusive. A 1500-watt motor, generating 2.0 peak horsepower, works through ice and frozen ingredients in seconds, helped along by hardened stainless steel blades that hold their edge over time. What distinguishes this blender from similarly powerful machines is its removable quiet shield, a feature specifically designed to dampen the motor's sound during operation. Speed control here is impressively granular too, ranging all the way from a gentle 1,000 RPM up to a forceful 18,000 RPM, giving you precise command over texture, whether you're making a delicate puree or pulverizing ice. 4 program settings, smoothie, ice crush, puree, and clean, mean you can rely on one-touch convenience for common tasks, while still having the variable dial available when a recipe calls for something more specific. Number 1. Vitamix Ascent X4 Blender. For those who treat blending as a near-daily ritual, the Vitamix Ascent X4 is built to be a long-term kitchen companion rather than just another appliance. The package includes the motor base, a 48-ounce container, an S2 low-profile tamper with holder, and a recipe book to get you started right away.
5 automatic blending programs cover smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, frozen cocktails, and dips or spreads, each calibrated to deliver consistent texture without manual guesswork, while variable speed settings and a dedicated pulse function give experienced users room to customize further. One standout feature is the self-cleaning program, which only requires warm water and a drop of dish soap to leave the container spotless in under a minute, a genuine time saver after a busy blending session. The touch button interface feels intuitive from the first use, and a digital timer takes the uncertainty out of recipes that call for manual processing. Final verdict? Choosing the right blender really comes down to how often you'll use it and what you're willing to spend on quiet, reliable performance. After weighing power, noise control, and everyday practicality, 2 models stand out from the rest.
The Vitamix Ascent X4 Blender
Is the smarter long-term investment, offering unmatched programming, durability, and that genuinely time-saving self-cleaning feature daily blenders will appreciate most. For most home cooks,
The Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender.
the sweet spot between power and quiet operation thanks to its removable quiet shield.
Check the link in the description for current details and other options.